Hello lovelies, and welcome to this episode. My name is Amanda, also known as Mrs. Archiver, and welcome back if you are subscribed, and welcome if you are new. And today we're going to be planning for the week of the 6th through the 12th of June, and if you want to see that, stay tuned. Okay, lovelies, let's go ahead and get started. Look at me. I'm filming another video and it's coming at you. If you're wondering, why does she look the same as the plan with me, like set up for June? Because I'm actually filming the same day that I did that video because it went so fast that I was surprised with myself and I wanted to keep going. So if you are wondering, like, wow, she looks the same, it's because of that. It went by so fast and so quick. Okay, we are going to be planning, like I said, for June 6th through the 12th. Look at that. I did my own little pre-kit here, and the colors I'm going to be using so that way it can match for the month of June is this. Next week, I don't know what the theme is going to be next week, but I did want to tie it in with technically like the first week for the month of June. And we are going to, right here, it's going well, doing the finance tracker, but I want to use the tool pen. And I do want to do some markings. I want to try doing some kind of design, making sure my nails are not in the way. I like the pink there. Let's go ahead and separate these days. So did anybody here that is watching, did you watch my Tamagotchi video? If you did, leave it in the comments below. I thought it was okay. It was different for me because I'm so used to editing now for, you know, the plan with me is of like the cutaways and like all that kind of stuff. And now I was like, I only got one angle. And at some point I ended up zooming in on the camera instead of me doing the cutaway. So I was like, oh, okay, let me just edit this the best way I can. By the way, my Tamagotchi is still doing well. She did get sick one day. Ironically, the day that I was editing that video, I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't checked on her. So she got sick. My Tamagotchi got sick, guys. And I was like, ooh. So I gave her medicine and apologized. And she is doing well. She is fine. I didn't realize she was an adult already. I ended up playing with it and got notified like to visit the Tamagotchi website for like a mini game. And I was like, oh, okay, or like a mission kind of thing. And I was like, oh, okay. So I went on there and they ended up having like a whole chart of all the like the different characters and such, and also like what they like and don't like. And then that's how I found out. I was like, oh, she grown, she's a little adult already. I just can't seem to get her happiness to like full bars. I know, so serious, right? I go from talking about like life experience and like deep conversations to, by the way, my Tamagotchi almost And I got sick and I had to like save her. Priorities, guys, priorities. Ooh, why did I just go draw blank? Yeah, see. I started second guessing myself. I was like, wait, I forgot to spell it. Okay. Now I wanted this to match the monthly. And I'm using these two stain washi. So I pre-cut everything. That way you don't have to sit here and watch me just cut a bunch of little paper. I don't want you guys going through that. I don't know how you guys like to collage, but this is how I like to do mine. Oh, I had a little sticker for finances. Okay, guys, that's gonna get covered up. I forgot about this one. There we go. There. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, so is this, oh, this is a sticker already. Okay, so it all goes by layers. That goes, and then this goes. Okay. So I can tell that I printed this on sticker paper. Once things are like laid out and good, the rest come like super easy. And then a personal section here. And this one wasn't, you can tell. It doesn't have a backing to it. Oh, apparently you didn't get enough. Awesome. Okay. I love how that came out. I know I didn't talk too much in this one, guys, but I was like on a roll. So sorry I didn't have much to say in this one, but I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me today anyway. And I will see you in the next episode. And until then, have a wonderful day.